Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. First question. Who was the first Mughal Emperor to rule India? A. Akbar, B. Babur, C. Shah Jahan, D. Aurangzeb. The correct answer is option B. Babur. Next question. Which Indian freedom fighter is known as the father of the nation? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Bhagat Singh. The correct answer is option A. Mahatma Gandhi. Next question. What is the largest country in the world by land area? A. China, B. Russia, C. Canada, D. United States. The correct answer is option B. Russia. Next question. Which river is the longest in India? A. Ganga, B. Yamuna, C. Brahmaputra, D. Narmada. The correct answer is option A. Ganga. Next question. How many parts are there in the Indian Constitution? A. 10, B. 15, C. 22, D. 25. The correct answer is option C. 22. Next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the fundamental rights? A. Article 14, B. Article 19, C. Article 21, D. Article 32. The correct answer is option B. Article 19. Next question. Who discovered the theory of relativity? A. Albert Einstein, B. Isaac Newton, C. Stephen Hawking, D. Marie Curie. The correct answer is option A. Albert Einstein. Next question. Which gas is essential for photosynthesis? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is option B. Carbon dioxide. Next question. Who won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2023? A. Malala Yousafzai, B. Barack Obama, C. Dennis Mukwege, D. Aung San Suu Kyi. The correct answer is option C. Dennis Mukwege. Next question. Which country hosted the 2024 Summer Olympics? A. France, B. Japan, C. United States, D. Australia. The correct answer is option A. France. Next question. Which dynasty ruled the Delhi Sultanate for the longest period? A. Slave Dynasty, B. Khalji Dynasty, C. Tughlaq Dynasty, D. Said Dynasty. The correct answer is option C. Tughlaq Dynasty. Next question. Who was the first woman ruler of India? A. Chandragupta Maurya, B. Razia Sultan, C. Rani Lakshmibai, D. Noor Jahan. The correct answer is option B. Razia Sultan. Next question. Which Indian state is known as the land of five rivers? A. Punjab, B. Haryana, C. Arunachal Pradesh, D. Jammu and Kashmir. The correct answer is option A. Punjab. Next question. What is the highest peak in the Indian Himalayas? A. Mount Everest, B. Kanchenjunga, C. Nanda Devi, D. K2. The correct answer is option B. Kanchenjunga. Next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the directive principles of state policy? A. Article 36, B. Article 42, C. Article 51, D. Article 60. The correct answer is option A. Article 36. Next question. What is the term of office of the President of India? A. 3 years, B. 4 years, C. 5 years, D. 6 years. The correct answer is option C. 5 years. Next question. What is the official currency of India? A. Rupee, B. Dollar, C. Euro, D. Pound. The correct answer is option A. Rupee. Next question. Who discovered the periodic table of elements? A. Dmitry Mendeleev, B. Marie Curie, C. Albert Einstein, D. Isaac Newton. The correct answer is A. Dmitry Mendeleev. Next question. What is the chemical symbol of gold? A. Au, B. Ag, C. Fe, D. Cu. The correct answer is option A. Au. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.